Hey, hello, how are you? So today I will show you how to implement Elementor on a fully fresh WordPress dashboard. So this is the brand new WordPress homepage. So I will show you how to connect Elementor with WordPress and design the homepage. Hope you all will enjoy. So let's get started. So in the WordPress dashboard, let go to plugin and add new plugin here. So here import Elementor. Okay, this is the plugin. So let's install Elementor. Okay, it's installing now. Let me activate it. So Elementor asks for create account. As I already have create account, I should click connect your account. But if don't have Elementor account, you should create a new account. Okay, so let me connect my account here. So this is my Elementor account. Let me connect. Okay, then second step, Elementor suggested to install hello theme. So let's hello theme here. Site name will be like runout BD here. Have any logo. So site name will be MailChimp Studio. Studio. So let me select the logo here. So like here is the logo. So let me import some template here. Okay, it's loading now. So there are too many templates here, but all are not free. Most of them are paid here. So let me check the filter here, portfolio. So all are paid. So let me find in free. All are almost paid here. So I got okay, still searching here. So still searching here. Okay, so you can see these two are free here. This one also free. This one also free. Let me check the free themes here. Okay, now all you can see all are free now. So which one I should select? I think this one is good for now. Let me apply the design for setting up the home page. Okay, it's loading and setting up the home page now. Please wait for. Okay. Okay, so it's live now. Okay, right. So the home page is ready, and you can see this is the home page here. It's almost done. You just need to edit some text or button or anything if you want. Okay. I hope you understand the video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching. Thank you.